Fox 40 Morning News continues.
Hey, welcome back. Computers speak a different language, and to help all of us understand it, every Tuesday, Tony Alessandri, a special agent from the Geek Squad, will join us to help decode some computer bugs. Welcome, Tony. Thanks for being here. Okay, so you brought your laptop along, and we're going to talk about today's topic for the Geek Squad is spyware, viruses, and the steps you need to take to avoid them. So first of all, what is spyware? I at first thought it was something good, but it's not, right?
Spyware is stuff that gets on the computer that'll cause the computer to do funny things like pop-ups, go to certain web pages, things that you don't want it to do.
Okay, so what you brought a program here,
yeah.
SpySweeper, right?
SpySweeper is a good program to do sweeps. It'll scan. Usually it takes about 45 minutes, but it'll go through and actually scan all different parts of the computer and get rid of those programs for you.
So what programs are usually targeted with spyware?
Always your Internet Explorer, your browser, because you'll be going to lots of websites that'll actually start causing pop-ups to advertising websites, to sites that you would not go to.
Okay, so first of all, maybe you can show us or kind of explain what this does, what this kind of virus system does.
What this does is it actually goes through and scans every piece of your computer from startup to the end. So it'll go through your cookies where you store personal data to see if there's any bad stuff in there. It'll also go through and find out if you've got weird shortcuts and weird favorites, sites that you would never go to. And it'll alert you. It'll let you know as soon as that happens, and it's active all the time.
Now, here's a question. If you do have some spyware, you go to a weird website and you get a little virus on your computer, and then you go check your bank account online, can they see that stuff?
It's a possibility, and this program would actually prevent that, and that's called like a keylogger. What it does is every time you type something into the computer, it'll report back to the person that developed the program.
Oh, yikes. Okay, so you brought along some steps, some easy things, 3 steps that we can do. Kind of explain these. First of all, what is it?
You want to be proactive, and what that means is do regular scans on your computer, kind of monitor what it's doing. Don't let it get out of control, because once it's out of control, it'll cost you a lot in the end.
So regularly scan your computer,
computers with software like SpySweeper, which we brought here today, is another one. eTrust is another one. You can also do free ones. Just got to be a little bit careful because they actually download their own stuff onto the computer and actually can be spyware on its own.
Okay, so next one, stop intruders. What does that mean?
What that means is get a firewall program like Norton Internet Security or Zone Alarm. What this will do is it'll monitor your internet activity. So if there's anything weird that's downloading, it'll let you know. It'll say, hey, this is trying to access the internet. What do you want it to do? Or is this something you want to happen?
Okay, and the last step is don't go to any questionable websites. What does that mean?
That means if it kind of looks fishy, stay away from it. A lot of people use Google a lot to check out stuff. Sometimes when you go to these programs, they've got things going on in the background that actually automatically download to the computer, which is spyware, which SpySweeper would prevent as well. And also watch out for those dangerous emails too, because they download stuff.
Okay, so this thing keeps on scanning. So obviously the Geek Squad computer has hopefully no viruses on it.
No.
Okay, first of all, explain what is the Geek Squad? What do you guys do?
We're a 24-hour rapid response computer support task force, and what that means is we're going to be available anytime during the day, and right there whenever you need us.
And it's through Best Buy, but you don't have to buy your computer
That's
or anything
correct.
through Best Buy,
Anytime, any computer, no matter from Dell, Sears, anywhere.
Okay, and it's not just computers. You can work on PlayStations,
We
things
sure
like
do.
that?
Computer, Xboxes, all that good stuff.
Okay, how much does it cost per hour if folks want to call you guys?
We don't do hourly. It's actually fixed rates, and all of our prices are on geeksquad.com.
All right, very good. Thank you so much, Tony Alessandri from the Geek Squad. We will see you next Tuesday. Natalie, back to you.
All right, thanks so much, Nina and Tony. Lots of good information there. Well, now it's time to give you a check of your traffic and weather, and for that,